Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log into CapCut PC using your email. Here I've already opened the CapCut PC, and to log in you can just click on this sign in button in the top left corner. Okay, so there are four options in here, but if you want to sign in with your email, you can just go with Google in here. So click on sign in with Google. Then the login page will be open in your browser like this. Here you can just choose your email address. If you have more than one, you can select the one that you want to use, or you can also click on use another account if you want to log in into the email that is not listed in here. I'm going to just use this one. Okay, then you need to allow permissions by clicking on continue. Now the login is success. You can just click on open CapCut and you'll be directed into the CapCut PC again, and you've already successfully signed in. Now you can just edit your projects and create an amazing video using CapCut PC. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.